All right, they have an outside here. They have a band that's going on right now. Let's go see what the band is about. All right, they have another bar here. Okay, this is the outside. Maybe I could try. All right, we're leaving the Baby Gold Barbecue on our way. The food was good. We really enjoyed the meal here and everything. As you can hear, the band is still going on. We're a little bit farther away from the Baby Gold Barbecue sauce. Uh, the food was delicious. We had a very good time. Really enjoyed the food there. The live band they have every day other than Monday. Live band every day other than Monday. It's on Roosevelt and Berwyn. Roosevelt and Berwyn.